Here's a great tip for sales consultants. I don't have time to drive one today. I just want to get an idea about option prices and payments. It's a common response from a customer after a sales consultant has welcomed and greeted their customer. The sales consultant then replies, "How much time do you have to spend with us today on your visit?" The customer replies, "I got 15 minutes. Sales consultant who wasn't listening then says, "What do you hope to accomplish?" The customer said, "I told you, I want to get an idea about options, prices, and payments." And this customer inquiry is off to a horrible start. The sales consultant could have been trained to reply in this manner, or it's simply a natural response for them. In either case, change your strategy. When we're working side by side with sales managers on the desk, sales consultants will frequently approach the sales manager shortly after they meet a customer on the showroom floor, informing them that their customer doesn't want to drive a vehicle, but just wants some prices, payments, or even a best price. I know this resonates with most sales managers and is a great source of frustration. First of all, never have your sales consultants ask a customer how much time they have to spend with them. This is a theoretical sales reply and not one from experienced sales professionals. When a sales consultant asks this question, it puts them on a stopwatch and they rush through the sales process. They believe their customer, and that's why they approach you so soon. Some try to educate their customer, informing them that they should come back when they have more time, and this is just wrong, and I don't know where they came up with that strategy. The statement, "I don't have a lot of time," is simply a self-defense mechanism that announces, "Don't try to close me." Other statements such as, "This is the first place we've shopped at," or "We're not buying today," are other examples of self-defense. Check this out. A man walks into a shoe store and a young associate approaches the customer and asks, "How can I help you today?" The man replies, "Just looking." What a liar. Most men walk into a shoe store with full intentions of buying shoes, but yet they say "just looking." It's another example of a natural defense mechanism. Instead, have your sales consultants ignore the objection and put it behind them and move forward in the sales process. For example, a customer comes in and states that they don't have much time. A sample reply could be, "No problem, let me know when you have to leave. What kind of vehicle are you currently driving?" Or, "No problem, what kind of vehicle are you currently driving?" This ignores the objection and allows a sales consultant to follow the next step of the sales process. If your sales consultants adopt this strategy, you'll have less of them approaching you without going through your regular sales process. For Y Management, I'm Hector Bassotti.